A person's running stride is about 1/1400 times the person's height. Your friend's stride is 5/472 thousandths. How tall is your friend? Okay, let's start over. A person's running stride is about 1/1400 times, we can use times right there, 1/1400 times a person's height. Let's use h for height. So that is the expression we need in order to solve the problem, and we realize that the friend's stride is wait a minute, I think I got this wrong. A person's running stride is about 1/14 times the person's height. No, I got it right. Your friend's stride is about 5/472 thousandths. How tall is your friend? So now we need to solve for h. In order to solve for an unknown in an algebraic expression, we have to use the inverse operation. So if we divide both sides by 1.14, we'll be able to find the solution. We can cancel this now, which is going to leave just the h for the height, and then whatever answer this happens to be. So let's take 5/472 thousandths and divide by 1.14. We have to move the decimal place over twice. 1, 2, 1, 2. There's about, we can estimate that there's about 5 100ths in 500. So let's try multiplying 114 by 5. We get 20. 5, 6, 7. 1 times 5 is 5. That's too high. So we're going to have to go down to 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4, 5, and 4. So let's try this. We have 456 when we divide. Let's subtract. And then bring down the 2. Now, how many 114s are there in 912? So, let's guess first 8, because that sounds right, especially since 4 times 8 ends in a 2. 4 times 8 is 32. 1 times 8 is 8, 9, 10, 11. And 1 times 8 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So that is correct. Now we got to be careful that we know where the decimal is. The decimal got moved over 2 places, so the decimal is right there. Now let's think about this and ask ourselves, does it make sense? A person's running stride is about 1/1400 times a person's height. Your friend's stride is 5/472 thousandths of a feet. How tall is your friend? Does it make sense that our friend is shorter than the stride? Yes, it does, because the riding stride is more than 1 times longer. So let's go with that as an answer. Your friend is going to be 4 8/10 feet tall.